record process. If in your view, such an amendment would require a referendum or not. Just that only. And then, just a light note on the issue of the Catholic dioceses. You know, even Siaya County is administered under Wandayi together with Kisumu, despite them being too big.
It must be very small. You know, Ombu is a Catholic, so let us.
Certainly, it's not a Catholic.
He's not Catholic.
That I have to
He's
say.
I see. Yeah, I see. Yes. So I'm not sure whether he has the diocese in Siaya or in Kirinyaga. I don't.
Thank you.
I sure do know they have a couple of churches. I'm not sure of the yeah, I know. Thank you, Chair, and thanks, Senator Wambua, for finding time to come. Now, I know how passionate you are about this particular cause. And my question to you is not to the people of Kitui specifically, and you who's a representative, but it's a wholesome team that appears before us. You're here, right behind you are people from Ilchamus in Baringo County and spread out in other counties in Kenya. We have previously listened to about 2 or 3 others, and tomorrow we listen to 27 colleagues of ours who are on a similar quest. So therefore, I don't want you to take this question as either opposition or support to you, the quest that you have, but it's just to help appreciate and see if you do appreciate the economic situation that the country finds itself in, and how do you plead, given that there is statistics out there, Senator. First of all, number one, to argue for or against this long debate that we've had from 1963 on population versus land size. Because if the people of Kirinyaga were here as well, just to use as an example, they'd say that for half